Wait, let me fix something.
Yeah, go ahead. When it comes to cars, let's be real. It's mostly a man's world. Boys and their toys. But as you know, sometimes I feature lady-driven cars on my channel. Today, while at the Holden Showdown, I met with Rachel, owner of a 2014 Holden VF Commodore, or of course the Chevy SS. Yeah, sure, cool car, right? But she owns two other cool cars, and wait till you hear what they are. Here's a brief glimpse into her car story. All right, guys, we're here with Rachel.
Hi.
So tell me, Rachel, why the SS? Because first of all, let's talk about the other cars you have. You have
Mustangs.
You have two Mustangs, and you have this 2014 SS as well.
Yes, correct. Yeah, I was all Ford, and then suddenly my brother bought a 06 GTO, and I was like, hey, that's pretty awesome.
Wow.
He sold it, and then I saw the SS, and I was like, I want to be different, because Mustangs aren't different, so I want to do something different.
So you went for the unique factor
Yes.
of the Commodore. Now, how did you even know about this car in the first place?
I just saw one driving down the road one day, and my brother's like, oh, that's a Holden too. And I was like, hey. I was like, you know what? I want one of those too. And I have a son, so 4 doors is
family car.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah, that's same with me. I wanted a family car too because I have family and need to be practical and fun at the same time.
Exactly.
Cool. So when you were shopping, were you shopping for anything specific, or did you care what year it was, or?
I did want a 15, 16, 17, but when I went to the dealer, they had the Peacock Green, but I test drove it, and then I found out after that it had frame rail damage. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna get that one.
Right.
And the dealership right next door had this one, the white one. I was like, I love white, and so yeah, I just got it.
Cool. All right. Is it totally stock right now?
It's got the RotoFat intake.
Okay.
That's the one thing I have done so far.
Yeah. Oh, cool. I have the same intake.
Yeah, twinsies.
Yes. Pretty awesome.
I plan on painting this.
Okay. What color do you think?
I'd probably do like a sparkly black, just like the grills.
Okay.
And then get one of those badges, the build plates.
Yeah.
So I want to do that. Maybe supercharge it. You know, you can't go wrong with that.
Okay. Oh my gosh. If you supercharge this thing, it will be a whole nother car.
Yeah. My Mustang was supercharged, and I took that off just to. It was an older centrifugal one. So
yeah. What year Mustang do you have? You said you have two Mustangs, right?
Yeah, 66 and then 93.
66 and then 93. Wow.
Yeah.
Are those stock too? Or?
Those I actually did motor swaps in both of those.
Okay.
So they were both, well, the 66 was a straight 6. We put the 302 in it, and then my Fox body was a 4-cylinder.
Okay.
So I did the 302 swap in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And both cars I did the 5-lug conversion, so we did all that. And
wow.
The 93 actually has disc brakes all the way around.
Okay.
So
jeez.
it stops really well.
Nice. Do you daily any of those, or which one do you daily?
You
daily the SS?
SS.
Okay.
Yeah.
The other two are more like fun cars,
weekend
cars, project cars.
I got the 66 when I was 13.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I've had that.
You've had that a while, yeah.
Yeah, and then the 93 I was driving every day to senior year in high school.
Okay.
So.
Wow, that's awesome.
Eventually I would like to make that one a manual, but.
So both are auto?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, I haven't learned how to drive manual yet.
Okay. You will learn soon.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
I was testing on a 70 Chevelle, so.
Woo! Okay.
That was a good time.
That is. When you are out and about with this car, since you daily it, do people ever ask you what it is? Or
definitely. Every time at Wawa I pull up, and I have so many people go front back, looking at the Holden badges.
Right.
And they're trying to figure out what it is, so I go, it's a Holden. But they're like, what? I said, over in Australia, the Chevy's a Holden. So, and they're like, Australia? I was like, yeah, they designed them over there, imported them over here, so cool. They're really fascinated by it.
You recently just did the Holden conversion?
Yes.
Okay,
correct.
cool.
Yeah, got them for Christmas, and went out in the driveway and did it.
Yeah, looks clean. Did you take the whole bumper off or just do the credit card trick?
Yeah, we did all the...
Yeah.
We had a few hands in here with my brothers and my dad.
Cool. That's good. Well, that's good to have help. Really good to have help.
Yeah, all the cars are a family thing, so we all have a few.
Nice. Have your brothers driven this, or any else in one of your family have driven this? And
yeah, my dad likes it. He goes, "This is a little too much power for you." I was like, "No." It's like never enough.
There's never too much power.
Yeah, he really enjoys it. My one brother's driven it, the one with the GTO.
Right.
He was like, "Oh, this is pretty different from my GTO."
So your brother has Pontiac GTO, or
He used to have the 06 GTO.
06 GTO? What color was this GTO?
His was red.
Red?
Yep.
Like this?
Yes, exactly.
Cool. Did he have the 5.7 or 6 liter?
The 6 liter.
The 6 liter, nice.
Yeah. He apparently had the record was holding the record on the GTO forum for the fastest stock GTO.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's badass.
A funny story, he was driving it and he actually broke the shifter off.
Oh, no.
So, that was a good time too.
time to move on?
Yeah.
Gotcha. That's awesome.
So,
Well, thanks for showing me around your car.
Yeah.
It's really cool
Thank you.
to meet more lady-driven cars like this out there. It's
Yes.
awesome. So, very cool.
thank you so much.
Yeah.